Welcome to my video. I'm gonna play another guitar episode. My guitar, I got it when I had surgery, and my little helper is gonna help me. My slime. My slime's gonna help. So this is my slime. And this is my guitar. You didn't see me kiss my guitar in the other video. So I decided to do it again to show you. So this is my slime. It's copper. I made it brown when I didn't add shaving cream. And then when I added shaving cream, it turned it to copper. I'm not allowed to play with this slime because it's so sticky. But I can do this. So you have your glass container. This is my slime. Now, let's get to the guitar playing. I'm really scared to sing in front of people, but since it's my tablet, I'm fine with it. Here we go. Here, it is winter, the snow is white. I don't know what to say if the snow's white and it's not green in the summer. Why is the snow only come on certain days? It's been a while since we went back to school. I never had the chance to get my friends. To the reason of snow. I'm sad at the reason of snow. Okay, that's it for my guitar playing. Now to my slime. So this is my slime copper. This is what you can do with slime. So you're gonna go up to your camera and you're just gonna do this.
Yo, yo, yo.